In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have two Steam accounts on one computer. If you share a PC with someone, want to keep separate libraries, or just prefer different profiles for different games, you can easily use two accounts on the same machine without any complicated setup. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. If you don't have Steam installed yet, download the latest version from the official website and install it so you're up to date. Once Steam is open, look to the top right and click the Login button. On the Sign In screen, enter your Steam account username and password, then click Sign In. This loads your personal library and store recommendations so you know you're in the right account. Now, to prepare the app for a second account, head to the top left and open the Steam menu. From that drop-down, choose Change Account. Steam will show a confirmation dialog explaining that you're about to switch users. Check the box to confirm you understand the action. This is just Steam's way of making sure you know it will sign you out of the current account. Click Continue, and Steam will restart automatically to bring you back to the login screen. After Steam restarts, you'll see the login window again. Here, click the Add Account icon. This option is designed specifically for using a different account on the same installation. Enter the second account's username and password, just like before, and sign in. That's it, you're now logged into the second Steam account on the same computer. From here on, switching between the two accounts is simple. Whenever you want to change users, open the Steam menu, choose Change Account, confirm, and sign into the other account. You're repeating the same process, and Steam takes care of the rest. Remember that each account has its own library, purchase history, and settings. If you use features like cloud saves, those also stay tied to the account you're logged into. This helps keep progress, friends lists, and recommendations separate. Always make sure you're signing into the correct account before launching games, and keep your login details secure. If Steam asks you to verify your sign-in for security, that's normal, just follow the on-screen prompts. And since both accounts share the same installation of Steam on your PC, you don't need to reinstall your games for each account, you're just changing who's signed in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.